Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, here with another day, another video for you guys, man. First of all, I want to thank you guys for watching the channel. Thank you guys for the support that you guys have given in the year 2020. It's been a dramatic year for many, but we are still standing, man. I know you're standing there with us, so we want to just truthfully be blessed for that. We got to count our blessings, man. If we enter the shop today, we got a lot of projects going on today, man. We got, of course, my son doing some lights. That's his profession. He's really good at it. He's doing some DLR Flow series on a Challenger. That he's doing there. We got this young man here, Mr. Josh, doing a Big 3 upgrade, which if y'all don't know what a Big 3 is, man, what does a Big 3 do for everybody, Josh?
Increases your power flow.
Increasing your power flow. What is that good for?
More voltage.
And more voltage means?
More power.
More bass, more boom, 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 and less problems and less burning and less issue with it. So he's doing the Big 3 right there. Got the Meekum alternator on that bad boy, the 0 gauge Nemesis wire, getting all that stuff done. And this is the one for today, guys. This is gonna be one of the biggest builds we're gonna have for the day. This is gonna be a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. This is what she's looking like right now. You can see she's completely stock. We're gonna be building on this bad boy a full Pro Audio build with 2.8s firing forward on a custom box. So we're doing 4 Pro Audio 6.5s, a set of the tweeters Pro Audio, amplifier for vocals, amplifier for subwoofers. We're also doing on top of that the unit gonna have 282 woofers going with a forward fire box on a sundown kit with the Nemesis 3K. This could be the build for today that we're working on. That could be the biggest one. We have a lot of other jobs, but this could be the biggest one, guys. So I'll be back with y'all, man, shortly. So this is where we are right now. We are, I'm about to smack this kid. He got the DLRs done on this bad boy already, guys. They're the Flow series, that's looking good, but this is what I want to bring you to. Are you impressed with this car?
What?
This car hit.
Yeah.
It hit stupid hard.
Yes.
We're removing his old Dynamat, doing the whole Dynamat thing, but guys, he is monstrous. He's got 2, they're in the process of putting him on 2 scars, 3500 strapped together. Strap means that we got 7,000 watts RMS coming out of this bad boy. We just finished the Big 3 on that bad boy, and now he began to do the Dynamat, but this car hit dumb.
Yes.
Were you impressed, Gordo? It was, and the voltage stayed high. What do you think about the hit in that car?
I love it.
I loved it too. I think I might do it to mine.
Yep.
I'm gonna get that measurement, put that box in my car. It might fit. But anyway, guys, let me show you what's going on. We got this one coming out here. There could be a full Pro Audio build. This is a factory Sigma in the car. He's removing all this. He's doing all the wiring in here to get this one done with a 6.5 Pro Audios in the front, 6.5 Pro Audios in the rear. We're doing the subwoofers installation and the amplifier. We got a 3K going into this 2 subs, and we got a 1600.4 going into the vocals with the Pro Audio build. That's also gonna be impressive. Stay tuned because we show you what we finished up today. All right, Cruise Crew, at this point in time, the Impala is ready to be delivered to the customer. He can be super, super aesthetic. As far as this one goes, we got my son over there working on getting all the speakers cut out and ready to go to get the install done on the, on the speakers that he's putting in here, the Pro Audio, because that could be done. We got a light bar install, the Dodge Challenger is done. I'm gonna call the customer. Kind of what we do here, man. Every day we work together like a team and we just work and get things done and accomplish it. Thanks to you guys always for that support y'all give us. But in reality, we put in a lot of work here, man, and we get really dedicated to what we do. We love what we do as a team, as a unit, so we're gonna keep on working hard. Thanks for y'all. Cruise Crew, so at this point in time, we have the owner of the Chevrolet Impala that came into the store. Is this your first time coming here? First time. How'd you hear about us?
GPS, looked y'all up.
Look to follow on Google, because Google's a great thing. He follows there. He brought the car in, he wanted to get the Big 3 done, the Dynamatic and all that kind of stuff done. He's done. You just heard your car. I can't put it on the camera because of copyright. What's your reaction to the way that car sounds?
Oh, it sounds amazing.
It doesn't sound amazing. Your car sounds stupid as hell. You're gonna piss off a lot of people.
Yeah,
a lot of people can be mad with you. That car is hitting hard, like stupid hard, really, really hard. One of the, can't even tell you, it's really a dramatic hit. More than what I thought it was gonna be, more than I know he thought it was gonna be, but it is what it is. At this point in time, he has it, y'all. And all I can tell you that he heard it and he was in love with it, and that's what we strive for 5, man. So we got him served. He can be taking delivery of his car now. Take your Instagram for the camera.
The Davis 199.
The Davis,
T-H-A-D-A-V-I-S.
T-H-A-D-A-V-I-S.
1990.
1990, 1990. You're born 1990? Man, I feel old, man. I'm born in 77. When I say I'm born in 1977, I sound like an old man, but I still feel young at heart, y'all. I'm gonna take him out the door, get him ready to go. We'll continue with the build. Another customer came to pick up his build from today. It's this beautiful Dodge Challenger. You can see him right here. That's his IG, Instagram account. Hit him up and let him know you're coming on behalf of the Audio Cat. But this is a beautiful car. How old are you, Joe?
17.
Listen, guys. 17 years old. Y'all saw him on the video with the other guy, which y'all gonna see it because I haven't dropped it out yet, but his friend just bought a 2021 wide body. This is part of his group. 17 years old, fighting, reaching dreams. Look at his car. 17 years old, man. Self-made. This is all done by him. This is his build, his car. How you feeling, man, to know that you have 17 years? You know how many bum 17-year-olds is out there?
A lot.
But you know what? You're on a different level. How you feel to be there?
It's blessed.
It's blessed, right? That's what I gotta tell you. Then we got this guy came to say hi to everybody. To say hi. You thought we were gonna get you the camera, man? You were trying to hide. He flip-flop. Look at flip-flop with the sandals on over here, man. You thought you were gonna get away, huh? You thought. Tell everybody where you from.
Oh, you already know Brooklyn, New York.
That's why when he come around the building, man, you know what we do? We hide our chains, we hide our jewelry, we hide our wallets, because Brooklyn's in the house. You gotta be careful with that. But let me show you how to use this like. I'll be right back. So we just finished showing Joe how to use this bad boy. Look, he playing with him, y'all, look. He going through the pattern. We got the greens, the blues, the reds. He's going Halo crazy, y'all. Joe, how you feeling right now?
Great. Excited about this, honestly.
Man, we're very excited for you too, man. We always want to thank you for the business you guys give us here, man. I did honor my 50% off like I promised him on that other video because it's part of a deal, but I'm proud of these kids, man, staying positive, staying focused, staying driven, and accomplishing goals at this age, man. Because the trick of it is that at this age, if you can put yourself a goal and get to it, when you get older, you put yourself bigger goals and you keep on getting into it. So I'm very proud of these guys, and I support the community, man. But these guys, I'm just really proud of them, man. They're doing their thing, y'all. Stay tuned because we can show you the rest of the builds. Point in time, we wrapped up the day. The the Dodge Ram is gone, very happy. The 4Runner's gone, very happy. We're finishing up the bigger project of the day, man, which is this one here. They actually got all the amps and everything installed here. Y'all can see it's almost 9 o'clock at night, but we got the Nemesis amplifier over there, epicenter, the other Nemesis amplifier, fusing and blocking. They're installing the Sundown SA8 in this bad boy in the box. They just finished cutting the holes open to get it to match up, but we should be getting this pretty closely done in a few seconds, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm tired.
You say it's almost 9 o'clock?
Uh-huh.
You say it's almost 9 o'clock? My wife's gonna kill me. She made sticks.
My wife could have killed me. I don't give a damn. I told her, you know what? It is what it is. He gonna get killed for some steaks. I'm gonna get killed just because I'm late. That's all, y'all. I'll be back in a minute. As y'all saw, we have just got another Hellcat up in the building. Now y'all got to see the daytime. It's a beautiful carbon fiber stripes on it. It's a dark gray, which I love the color of this car, man. The destroyer gray in this car is amazing. One of the nicest things my brother already got in his car is the Boricua flag, but it's got every option possible. It's got the sunroof, got the leather seats, got the stitching. They got the stitching on the dash. We are ripping her apart. He just got this car yesterday, y'all. Yesterday, just got this car brand new. This is the original sticker on this car so y'all can see it. So I'm gonna show y'all what this car is. But this is basically SRT Hellcat 77.9 with all the packages and everything he has. But this car being here, guys, I want to show y'all what's going on. We got the car, we're already taking it apart. We're adding music. We're going to be adding music and adding some performance to this car to be able to bring it to the next level of the car. So right now we're in the P0s. We're gonna start teaching them how to drag strip. So I'm telling you guys right now, we're gonna be out there this year having fun, man, just enjoying ourselves. And we go have fun with everybody, go racing and enjoying and just talking to each other and sometimes talking smack to each other, just building it up. But right now we're in the process of taking this car apart. Isaac already removed the dashboard, as you can see right here. He's already removed the radio. So he's gonna get this out. We'll be installing a module back here to do the subwoofer install. Later on, we'll be getting to the vocals on it. So stay tuned if we bring you this mix on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Charger Hellcat. We actually got this vehicle here and we are going to be doing a lot of mods on it. I'm gonna walk you guys through the car that y'all saw in that video that night. She is here, it's known as Destroyer Cat on Instagram. This is her. This is what it looks like right now before we start doing all the mods. And I'm gonna show you guys what it's gonna look like when we get done with it, so you guys can see exactly what's going on. But I want you to see it before and after. So let me give you guys a montage. All right, my crew, so I'm gonna give you guys a complete update right now on what we've gotten done on this Dodge Charger 2019 that we have from my brother, part of the Cruise crew, the Destroyer Cat of Dallas. You can see right now what's going on. Right now, Isaac's in the process. He's installed these quarter marker lights here. Turn on the lights real quick, y'all, so they can see what this looks like. You see that, guys? Nice and clean. He's also got the back one here done. Would you see that done? We've installed the carbon fiber sides right here. We've installed the rear diffuser from the vehicle. We've also installed the wicker bill, as you can see right there, and the smoke out kit for the tail lights. Right now, Isaac's gonna be finished working on, actually he got them all done. Look, this one's done here. I just walked in the shop, y'all, but look, they're all done, and I'm gonna be honest with you, they look very, very hot. We got Josh doing the last thing of installing the hardwire radar detector. Guys, this car should be getting out of here for now. In a few minutes, I'm gonna call him and let him pick up his car and get the reveal for you guys. But pretty much is what we've done. We've done a lot of different projects. I can't always vlog everything we do, but this is where we are right now. I'm gonna give you guys another thing that's going on. We got my guy, so you got my guy Gallo, which is my tinner, but he ain't got nothing to do right now, so he came over here to help Adolfo do some fiberglass. Y'all saw, we've gotten into the fiberglass game. These are some door pods that he's building. He built some other ones that are over there, but these are new pods that he's completely building from scratch to do a door panel on a Mitsubishi truck, I think it is, right? Yeah, so this is what's going on here. They get all this going and situated. We got Mr. Panda in the building. You gonna walk by and not say hi, man?
I didn't want to interrupt.
Now, what you gotta say to the camera today? Besides go subscribe to my channel.
It's my birthday, so y'all just
It's your birthday, Cole. You know what we're gonna do for his birthday? I need all hands on deck. Come here, Adolfo. Gallo. I need Gallo. Te voy a estar un momentito, vente. Come here, I'm gonna grab this camera real quick. Isaac.
I feel like you're gonna hurt me. Hold on.
Josh. Let me bother y'all for a second. Come here. I know, but come over here a second. How old are you?
20. Wait, hold on, wait.
Where you walking, man?
You gonna hit me?
One. You know, it's a tradition, man, when it's your birthday, you get hit as many years as you are. He's 22. By the time he leaves here, he's not gonna be able to drive today. I'm gonna tag him as hard as I can with everything I got. Hopefully we make a bleed. Let's see if we can catch him though. Yep. So I have to work on my speed, but we'll be back with y'all in a minute.
All right, y'all, so we're here at AUDIOZONE in the back of the shop. This is usually where we do all our child labor. So we got Jeff, he's working on the back of the Destroyer Cat, which is his brother. What do you call brother in Spanish?
Hermano.
Hermano, sí, por favor. So what we're doing right now, we're blacking everything out.
We're doing a fallopian tube extraction on this car, so that way.
But this is a minor extraction.
Yeah, but this is going to be one that can allow him to be able to conquer and get more fallopian tubes.
Yeah, this is going to be. It's kind of like day surgery. You'll be out in just a few hours. You'll be eating some oatmeal by the evening.
But we are installing a blackout, which I'll show you what it's going to turn out to be in a few minutes. But basically what we're doing is some overlays and film that can allow it to have a different, we could change the look of the light of the charger. We all know the chargers go completely around. When we get done with this, it can have a different look to it, a different feel to it. Just little things you do to make the car unique, but I'm gonna finish installing it and I'll show you guys at the end what it looks like. Got a couple other projects here that we'll walk you guys through. To get the Destroyer Cat's lights updated, he's all good to go. Look what we have here, a beautiful, what year is this car? 71 Skylark. Oh my God, I'm telling you, the classics are the classics, and they're the classics for a reason. Look how beautiful this car. How long you've had this car?
Since November.
Since November. Wait, how fast before you're ready to lose it?
Man, I'm gonna hold on to it for a second.
I don't know, man. You might have to leave it here, man. I love this thing. I just got a 70 series Nova.
Oh yeah?
Oh my God, I love the classic. I love the classic. But guys, I'll be checking this out here. He wants to do some interior, some systems done on this one, and it's definitely gonna be a privilege to get it done. So let me quote my client, I'll call y'all back.